How to apply affiliate in Lazada. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to apply affiliate in Lazada. First, open your Lazada application on your mobile device. Go to the Involve Asia's Create Account page. You need to fill in your personal details. After filling up everything, you need to wait for 2 to 4 business days for Involve Asia's approval. That's it. You need to wait for their email. Shopee wants to make sure that only the best Lazada affiliates are promoting their brand. That's why you will need to apply to run their affiliate program. From your dashboard, go to Discovery. Then from the drop-down, select Advisor Directory. After typing Lazada on the first search bar, they will give you 5 options. These are the only 6 countries where you can promote Lazada: Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia, Thailand, and Vietnam. After selecting which country you prefer to promote Lazada, you can now hit Apply to request them for approval. There will be a request approval pop-up after hitting Apply. Here, you will have some questionnaires to answer. It will ask where the traffic will come from, your URL, the modes of promotions, etc. When you're done with the questions, click Save. After successfully submitting your request, you will see under the form, application submitted successfully. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.